Geography, Indian climate. India has tropical monsoon type of climate because a greater part of India lies in the tropical zone and its climate is greater influenced by the monsoon winds. Factors influence on the climate of India are locations, water bodies, relief features, monsoon winds. Types of climate. The winter season, December to February. The summer season, March to May. The rainy season, June to mid-September. The retreating monsoon season, mid-September to November. During this season, northern hemisphere gets oblique rays of the sun. Hence, the temperature and humidity are low. The sky is clear. January is the coldest month. Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature. There is heavy snowfall in the mountain areas. India gets only 2% of its annual rainfall during winter. During this season, the sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. It is hot, dry and sultry. The highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Conventional rain. And is Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi, West Bengal, mango showers, Kerala as it helped to mango crop, coffee blossom, Karnataka. India received 10% of its annual rainfall during summer. Rainy season. It is also known as Southwest Monsoon season. Branches of Southwest Monsoon season. Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. The rainfall decreases towards the western slopes is called rain shadow area. The highest rainfall occurs at Mawsynram in Meghalaya. Retreating monsoon season. In early October, due to the decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the land mass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. India receives only 13% of its annual rainfall during this season. The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha get rainfall during this season. Tropical cyclones frequently occurs in the Bay of Bengal during this season and cause some damaging along east coast. Distribution of annual rainfall. Areas with low rainfall less than 50 cm. Areas with moderate rainfall 50 to 100 cm. Areas with heavy rainfall 100 to 250 centimeters. Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives least amount of rainfall 8.3 cm and is the driest place in India.